In the last decade, three storms carved their names into U.S. history. First, Hurricane Harvey, 2017, a deluge of rain that drowned Houston and redefined flood risk forever. Second, Hurricane Ian, 2022, a Category 5 beast that smashed into Florida with winds and surges never seen before, costing over $100 billion. Third, Hurricane Ida, 2021, a storm that began in the Gulf, ended in the Northeast, turning rivers into torrents in New York. These weren't just hurricanes. They were warnings. Warnings that climate change is accelerating. That water holds power we're only beginning to understand. And that for coastal America, the season never really ends. Subscribe for more true stories of forces beyond our control.